Hello, my technical friends. This is TestOut Linux Pro, and this is lab 2.12.8, and we are going to use grep. So Vera Edwards was recently hired as a new salesperson for your company. She cannot access the files in the sales folder and has asked for your help. Although you thought you had added her to the group, you want to verify this on her system. When you arrive to help her, she tells you that she cannot find the proposal file she has written and she would like you to help her find it. Complete this lab from the terminal. So in this lab, your task is to use the grep to find the correct members of the /etc/group named sales. Answer question 1. Find which proposal file contains the phrase the fluid data. The file is either in her home directory or in one of her subdirectories. Answer question 2. So that is all we need to do in this lab. Let's go ahead and start lab. So we just wait for this lab to load. Just in case you need a detailed video guide and insider specs on how to solve any of the TestOut lab at all, you might want to consider joining my professional membership. Alright, so this lab is loaded. Let's go ahead and start up right away. So we're going to type in grep sales and /etc and /group and enter, and go ahead and answer question 1, and this, minimize this and type in grep -r, and this is going to be the fluid data. Ensure everything is quoted. Press enter and go ahead and answer question 2 and scholar. Thank you for watching. If you find this video to be helpful, remember to like and subscribe to the channel, share so that others can benefit also. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.